Hello, good morning. Hope all of you are fine. Until now, we discussed about the probability. Okay, and this all the probabilities trial exercise. This whatever I discussed, it is related. It was related with uh, dice and what coin. Okay. So today I come with a new things, new concept, and this is also important for probability. This concept, I think you all are known about these things. Can you recognize what is this? Let's see. This is called what? This is called pack of cards. Okay. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. So in a pack of cards, how many cards are there? How many cards are there in a pack of cards? Can you say how many cards are there? 52 cards are there. This is called a pack of cards, or you can say a deck of cards. Okay, this 52 cards has divided into 4 suites. This 52 cards divided into how many suites? 4 suites. What are the suites are here? See, 4 suites. This is one part. This is one part. Okay, this one part. This one type of cards. This is known as spade. This is called a spade. Okay. This is another part. Another suites. This another suites. This is called club. Okay. This is called club. Another suites, we have number 3, third number suites. What is the third number suites? This is called, what is this? This is diamond. Okay. And last one, I think each and everyone knows about it. The symbol, you know about it. This is known as heart. Okay. Out of these 4 suites, 2 are black color. Spade and club are black color, and diamond and heart are red color. Clear? Now these 52 suites are equally divided into 4 suites. 52 cards. These 52 cards are divided into 4 suites. So each suite has equally divided. So each suite has how many cards? 13 cards. 13 spade, 13 club, 13 diamond, 13 heart. So 13 spades, 13 club. So you can say how many black cards? 13 plus 13, 26 black cards. And 13 diamond, red color, 13 heart, red color. So how many total number of red color cards? 26 red colors. As each and every suite has the same cards, 13 cards. So what are the cards are here? See, what are the cards are here? This is 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is called J. J full form is Jack. This Q. Q is Queen. K is King. And A means H. This in general we say Tekka. Okay. In this way, each and every suite says same number of cards. That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In a spade, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, K, Q, A. Similarly, in club also same type of card, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then J, Q, K, A. In diamond also same number cards. In heart also same number of cards. Now in this cards, let's see. Out of these cards, these are numbers. These are numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are numbers. Now see here. This is one face. This is one face. Jack. Okay. This queen face. This is king face. So these three cards are called. Here we are getting the face of the Jack, face of queen, and face of king. That's why these cards are called face cards. So face cards are what? J, K, Q, J, Q, K. So in one suites, how many cards are there? Face cards are there 3. And we have how many suites? 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? So total number of face cards. What will be the total number of face cards? Total number of face cards is 3 into 4. That is 12. Clear? And these 12 cards, out of these 12 cards, 6 are black and 6 are red. Up to this, are we clear or any doubt? Now can you say how many king are there? Number of king? Number of king. How many kings are there? 4 kings. Number of queens. How many queens are there? 4 queens. Number of jack, 4. And number of ace cards. How many are there? 4. Out of this, black, how many are there? Black king. Can you say black king? Black king. How many? 2. Red. 2. Then black. Cube. 2. Black cube. 2. Red cube. How many are there? 2. In this way, we have to find out. Okay, and we have to keep the things in our mind. Now, what is the uses of this? This concept will be used in probability. This is not only for game. Some questions may be asked related with the cards. Okay. So no doubt, I think. And one more thing is that a pack of cards, shuffle of 52 cards. What is the meaning of this? In related questions, these things maybe comes. What is the meaning of this? A shuffle of pack of cards means what? A shuffle of pack of cards means what? What are the cards are there? It is arranged that I have arranged diamond, then spade. In this way, it is arranged. So shuffle means we have to shuffle it. Not should be in the same way. This is called shuffle of pack of cards. Okay. Any doubt? So recall again. See. How many cards total? 52 cards. And our 52 cards are divided into 4 equal suites. Each suite's name is spade. Spade is black. Club is also black. Spade, club, diamond is red. And heart is red. Each suite has how many cards? 13 cards. Now cards are what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then J, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. And out of these cards, some cards are face cards as they have the faces. Okay. Face cards are what? Jack, Queen and King. Total number of cards, face cards is what? 12. Out of these 12 cards, black is 6, red is 6. How many kings are there? 4 kings, 4 queens, 4 jack, 4 ace. each number of cards is 4 numbers. 2 is also 4, 3 is also 4. Okay, in this way we'll get. This is the concept of the cards. This cards. Now how can we use these cards, this concept, this knowledge to solve the problem? Suppose question may be given in this way. A card is drawn. From a deck of shuffle of 52 cards. What is the probability of a red card? Number 2, a king. Number 3, a face card. In this way, questions may be asked. Okay. Now, how to solve this problem? So, what will I? Total number of cards. What is the total number of cards here? 52. If it is given or not given, always you have to keep in mind that 52 cards in a shuffle of deck of cards. Okay. Total number of cards is equal to 52. Now number 1, red card. How many red cards are there? Number of red cards? Out of 52 cards, how many red cards are there? 26. So red cards is equal to 26. So we need to find out the probability of red card. Probability of a red card. A red card. In this way, right? Probability red card. What is the formula of probability of red card? In favor of us, how many? What is the number? In favor of us, 26, and total is 52. So what will I? 26 by 52. And if we make it simple form, simplicity. Okay, this is divisible by 26, so 1 by. Number 2, a king. Number of kings. Total number of kings. Number of king card. What is the number of king cards? How many kings are there? Number of kings is 4. No color, any color it may come. So number of king cards is 4. So probability of a king is equal to, in favor of us is 4, in favor of us is 4, and total is 52. 4 by 52. So what will get? You can make it simple form, and that is 1 by 13. And last one is what? Face card. How many face cards are there? 12. Number of face cards is equal to 12. Therefore, probability of face card is equal to what? 12 by 52. And if we make it simple form, this will be 3 by 13. This is the concept of knowledge of cards. And this is so important, not only in class 9, in class 10 also will get, and higher classes also will get. If so, that we have to keep in mind the knowledge of the cards, and with the questions may be asked related with the cards in probability. So, all of you understand? Any doubt? I think you understand the things. This is the knowledge of cards. Okay, thank you.